We cannot afford any more propaganda campaigns by corporations subsidized by the government against public policies designed to save humanity. The First Amendment does not protect fraudulent commercial speech, despite everything you heard today. You can go back and check out McIntyre versus Ohio Elections Commission stating clearly that the government may and does punish fraud directly. Check out the Central Hudson case declaring that if commercial speech is fraudulent, it is no longer protected by the First Amendment and it may be regulated by the government. Mr. Lawler, do you accept that the First Amendment does not accept fraudulent commercial speech?
Sir, I just wouldn't say that I'm an expert on that particular topic.
Mr. Worth, do you accept that the First Amendment does not protect fraudulent commercial speech?
Congressman, I am not a constitutional scholar, and I would trust those who are.
Ms. Watkins, do you accept that the First Amendment does not protect fraudulent commercial speech?
Congressman, I'm not an expert on the legal aspects of this. I'm sorry.
Well, Mr. Woods, your company has filed several briefs about this, trying to use the First Amendment as a sword in litigation against Massachusetts Attorney General Healey. Do you accept that the First Amendment does not protect fraudulent speech?
I'm not a lawyer, sir.
Are you aware of the litigation that Exxon brought against Healey in federal district court in Texas?
I'm aware that we've had several suits filed against us, and we've hired lawyers to defend our rights.
Well, use your common sense, and I appreciate the fact you're not a lawyer, but using your common sense, do you think that a company has the right to lie, for example, about climate change and then use the First Amendment as a camouflage and a shield against litigation?
I don't believe companies should lie, and I would tell you that we do not do that.
But leaving that aside, because there might be a factual dispute on that particular contention, but do you believe if a company were to lie in commercial speech about something like climate change, it should not be protected by the First Amendment?
I don't believe companies should lie.